If you could touch a cloud, I think it would feel exactly like FOMO. I can't wait to tell you all about this yarn. Let's get to know FOMO. FOMO is a soft, lofty yarn that's meant to emulate the look and feel of mohair. The fuzzy mohair style is so in right now, and you can add it to all of your projects. FOMO comes in a great palette of colors, and it is lightweight but deliciously soft. You can see that this is a thin strand of yarn that's surrounded by a halo that creates a downy look. While FOMO might look like mohair, it's made entirely from synthetic fibers. This yarn is 53% viscose, 37% acrylic, and 10% nylon. You can machine wash projects you make with FOMO on a gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. There are over 300 yards in each ball, and believe it or not, this is a worsted weight yarn. I'll show you in a moment how it works up so you can see for yourself. But before I do that, I have to remind you to subscribe. We have lots of great yarns coming soon, and you won't miss any of them if you're subscribed to the Lion Brand Yarn channel. I have 2 swatches that I made with FOMO, and I just had such a wonderful time working with this yarn. I knit this one in stockinette stitch, and this is half double crochet. These swatches are just so delicate and soft. It feels ethereal. It's so light and drapey. I want to make so many things with FOMO. Shawls and lightweight tops are a must. I just want to wrap myself up in it. Usually I just show one set of swatches, but I also wanted you to see what this yarn looks like when it's paired with another strand. Something I love about FOMO is that you can use it alone, but you can also work it together with a smooth or solid color yarn to add some soft texture to your project. I used a contrasting color here, but you can choose a matching color to just give your project a subtle halo. There are so many possibilities when it comes to this yarn. I hope that you'll check out FOMO for yourself. I think you're gonna love it. Happy stitching!